Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a 5 off of 25 Saturday Dollar General haul. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. And then also I just want to let y'all know, if y'all hear anything in the back, that is my granddaughter playing. So I do apologize, okay? So, went to Dollar General, and y'all, this week to me was a slow week because my 3 off of 15s that we had got last Saturday, I didn't even pay attention. I had used those on my other transactions. I don't know why I did that. I forgot, wasn't thinking, and I had clipped them. And instead of on one of my accounts, my 5 off of 25 did come off. But then on the other two accounts, y'all, my 5 off of 25 did not come off. Excuse me. So I was like, oh, well, it is what it is. But I know on one account, I didn't get the 3 off of 15. But I still do have it now because I went in and I clipped it. So I do have a 3 off of 15. So I'll probably be doing that this week. Hopefully we got some good deals going on. So let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, so the first thing I got was the Glade. This Glade warmer, and it's this scent, y'all. I don't know if it's more scents, but this cashmere wood is $2.70. I had a $2 off digital coupon that did attach. The next thing is the Tide liquid. I needed some more. Y'all know I've been trying to get me some more liquid detergents in my stash, in my little coupon stash, stockpile rather. This is $5.50. There is a $2 off digital coupon that did attach, okay? The next thing are these Playtex Sports. They are $3.75, I believe. Yeah, $3.75. I had a $2 off digital. Also, I had a $2 off paper, which the paper, it is expiring today, okay? So then, the last thing I got, y'all, was these 3 products. These are the Suavitel fabric softener. It's the Suavitel, it's the Fabuloso, and I think it's Ajax. That is, if you buy 2, you get 1 free. So also, there is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching, okay? So instead of, I didn't want to get no Fabuloso. I was going to, but then I decided not to. So, excuse me. Like I said, these are $3 each. Buy 2, get 1 free. I had a $2 off digital coupon on a Suavitel. So I went ahead and picked up these 3. Because this one is the Suavitel Complete. And then these are the other, this is the yellow one, okay? So I thought maybe this week I was going to pick up some more of the Suavitel. But honey, the stores that I went into, they was cleaned out. It was cleaned out, okay? So I was like, okay, that's fine. So yeah, I had to add in me a pop because without the pop, it was $24.70. And I thought maybe this was over $25, but it wasn't. So I had to add in this Mountain Dew. The Mountain Dew is $2. They used to be $1 and some change, y'all. They $2 now. It is just, I'm telling you, the prices have went up, honey. I went into the grocery store. This is a little bit off subject, but I went into the grocery store. The prices have went up. I was telling my daughter, honey, these prices, they keep on going up and we're not getting no money, getting paid a lot of more money when the prices is going up. I won't have to go to the gym to lose weight because by me eating and trying to eat, honey, I'm going to reach my weight goal without even trying to go to the gym to do a little cardio or some lifting weights, y'all. But so after she scanned all my items, I put in my number for the digital, and then I had my Then there's one more thing I forgot. And it was hiding. These Rolaids, y'all. I'm so sorry. The Rolaids are $1.50. There was a $2 off digital coupon that did attach to that. Okay, so I got a little overage for that. Okay, so after, like I said, she scanned everything. I put my number in. My digitals came off. My 5 off of 25 came off. Also, my Playtex Sport paper coupon, it scanned. My subtotal was, y'all, $4.70 for all of this. Okay, $4.70. You cannot beat that. So, you know, everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. There's the Playtex. There it is right there. There's the Suavitel. There's the Rolaids. There's the Glade. And then there's the Tide. And there's the Mountain Dew. Then see, subtotal, $4.70. Let me show you how much I saved. $23.50. You can't beat that. And I got 5 off of 25 for next week. But this right here is my Dollar General haul. Just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.